Hello, my darlings. Once again, it's good to see you. I come to you with a little mini lesson today, just like we would have in a work group. The moment you've all been waiting for, I think, our last number of the year. So what number is this? That's right. I heard it. 20. A 2 and a 0 makes 20. Can you believe it? We're all through the single digits. We're all through the teen numbers, and now it brings us to 20. So let's count these blocks just to make sure. And remember to use that term that makes you so smart. Those kindergarten teachers are gonna be floored when you tell them that you know how to count with one-to-one correspondence. That's right. You guys are brilliant. Okay, count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. And for those of you who might be up for a challenge, since all of these blocks are in stacks of 5, we can also count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. Yes, that's how we skip count by 5s to 20. All right, well, now that we know how to count to 20 and we know how to recognize the number 20, let's move it on over and practice writing the number 20. Okay, so always remember that we start with our name at the top so that your teacher knows which one is your paper and who the paper belongs to. Okay, my friends, so we already just stated that a 2 and a 0 makes 20. So you want to make sure that the 2 comes first. Now, I have my green dots, so they remind me that I always start my numbers at the top, and green means go. But I know you guys are so big, you don't need your green dots anymore sometimes. So if you want to make green dots, you can, but I know some of you like to say, I don't need green dots. I know that I start my numbers at the top. So let's do it. Ready? So the number 2 is a big curve around and a line across the ground. And a 0 is just a big curve all the way around, like an oval, like an O. Just go round and round. So let's do that 2 again. Ready? Big curve around and a line across the ground. 2 and a 0. I'm going to try to move my wrist this way. This always gets tricky. I want you to be able to see me, but it's always a funny angle here. So 2, big curve around and a line across the ground. And a 0 is a big curve all the way around. One more time. Big curve around and a line across the ground and a big curve all the way around, like a circle. And I know all of you know how to make a circle, so that's easy peasy. Okay, darlings, ready? Now we're going to look at the 20s that we just traced, and we're going to come down to the next row and we'll copy exactly what we made. So just don't forget that your 2 goes first. A 2 and a 0 makes 20. Big curve around and a line across the ground and a big circle or oval, nice and round. Big curve around and a line across the ground and a nice round oval. It's more of an oval. Big curve around and a line across the ground and a big oval. That's it. Very nice. Okay, here's our number line. And let's remember, what number does our number line begin with? That's right, 11. A 1 and a 1 is 11. So let's count all the way up to the end of the number line so we can fill in our missing number. Ready? Begin. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. So this time it's tiny. A 2 and a 0 makes 20. All right, almost there. Here we have our 10 sticks. They look like a bar graph. So we're going to start at the bottom and count with 1-to-1 correspondence all the way up to the top. Remember, we're just going to shade it in. We don't want to spend too much time coloring because we want to make sure that we're counting and coloring at the same time. Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. Now, just like we counted by 5s over here, 5, 10, 15, 20. We can also count by 10s because remember, this is a 10 stick. There are 10 cubes in each stick. 10, 20. It's just a faster way of counting. All right, last part, boys and girls. Remember, we're going to count one last time with 1-to-1 correspondence, and we'll just put a dot in each finger as we count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then we'll write that 20 one final time in the circle. Say it with me. What numerals do we need? A 2 and a 0 makes 20. Very good. And again, we can use these hands to count by 5s because there are 5 fingers on each hand. So 5, 10, 15, 20. Very good. Well, that was excellent. So boys and girls, if you were working on that with me, kiss your brain for doing such a great job. And if you didn't do it already, that's okay. Now you know what to do. So you can ask your mom or dad to print out the practice sheet for you, and then you can either watch this video again if you want to and do it with me, or you can just go back to your seat now and work on it on your own, because now you know the number 20 and you are all ready for kindergarten. No, I'm going to miss you so much. Please don't go. Please don't go. Please don't go. I'll miss you so. What am I going to do without my peaches? Okay, boys and girls, thanks for joining me. You did a great job counting, and I will see you again soon. Love you. Good work. Bye.